Okay then, Dad. Right, we've rigged up the camera onto the Aerobird. Already had one flight today, successful. There you can see the camera on top of the bird. Dad, how do you think it's going to go?
I think it's 50-50.
Right.
I think it's 50-50. A little bit short on engine power, but if we can just get clear of the ground, get it up, it should be okay.
Right. Excellent. You're going to be the chief pilot, I'm going to be the launcher.
You're going to launch it, I'm
right.
going to attempt to fly it.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, good luck.
Let's go. I think it's 50-50.
Okay, well, here we are at the launch site. As you can see, it's a calm Cav-OK day.
I think it's 50-50.
And things are looking in our favour. How are you feeling, old chap? Confident?
I think we stand a chance with it.
Right.
The wind's about 5 knots, and it's straight into the slope.
Right.
So that will help us.
Good. Okay. Right, let's rig it up.
I think it's 50-50.
We're filming. I'm going to launch it. Is it all ready to go? Give us a power check, Dad.
Oh, I don't know.
I think it's 50-50. I think it's 50-50. I think it's 50-50.
Well, we've got it airborne. Brilliant. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Well, a successful flight. We'll have to see what footage we've got, but good flying, Dad. How do you feel?
I think okay.
Very good.
As long as the camera was pointing down sufficiently.
Yes.
We should have got some good pictures there.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Ah, awesome.
I think that's better. I got that. I got that. I got that one.
Brilliant, man,
I got that one.
Well, we've got it airborne. Brilliant. Beautiful.